Welcome to the Xiaomi C300 Smart Camera Reset tutorial. Whether you need to fix glitches or start fresh, resetting can work wonders. Follow 5 simple steps on how to do it. Step 1. Make sure your camera is powered on. Step 2. Locate the reset button at the back of the camera. Step 3. Hold down that button for about 3 seconds. Count it out. 1, 2, 3. Step 4. Wait for the magic words. Reset successfully. Step 5. Once your camera will start the reset process. Watch out for the orange LED light. It's a sign that the reset was complete. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi C300 camera in the playlist linked in the description below.